Hi, I know it is September, but I got a bunch of Christmas stuff here. New Happy Planner Christmas stuff. I can't wait to dig into this and check it out. So if you want to see all of this, keep watching. All right, so I just did an unboxing of my new Happy Planner Squad Mentor box, and in it was all of this holiday stuff, and I thought I would just show it all to you. I haven't really looked at it yet. So we have this extension pack, some paper, a companion accessories pack, a couple sticker packs. So let's start with the Christmas extension pack. Let's see what's in here. I love holiday stuff, and these designs are really, really cute. So for this extension pack, we have different categories here. This is basically to create your own holiday planner. So we have menu, party, cards, gifts, memories, notes, cookie exchange, and stickers, okay? So I'm just gonna show you each section. So this is the menu section, holiday menu planning. These are different, there's different lists for different dates. We have holiday recipe pages, which are cute. I love those. I can't wait to use those. They're really, really cute. You got a bunch of those. And then in the party section, you have a holiday party planner page, date, time, location, a section for decorations, activities, music, entertainment, a guest list, a menu, and then notes. And then this cute little girl down there with her little dog, total number of guests. Really, really cute. And then on the back, you have like a blank page for notes. So you have a bunch of those. I'll count this for you. I think it's probably the same in each one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. And you probably have 6 pages of each. So this is the card section. Christmas card list. 1, 2, 3. You only have 3 pages of this because I guess you don't really need any more. But this is a list for your Christmas cards. We have gift lists. And I feel like there's more of this. 1, 2, 3. No, there's 6 of these. And these are so cute. I created my own gift list last year, but these will be really, really useful because I always have to have like a section in my planner at the holidays for like writing out who I got what, and because sometimes I purchase the same things twice. I've done that. Have you done that? It's crazy. And then on the back of each one, there are stocking stuffer ideas, which is also a really great idea. Memories section. And then we have, let's see, favorite memories. So that's cute. Look, it looks like little stickers on there. Couple pages, 3 pages of those. And then holiday traditions. 3 pages of those. Here we have notes. So this is just like blank filler paper. It looks like about 6 pages of blank filler paper that's like got this really pretty confetti on the sides. And then we have a cookie exchange section. This says ingredient alternatives, so that's good to have in your planner. And then the rules, voting ideas. And then here is like different sections for the cookie recipes. This says, I need to get what? Baking ingredients, party supplies, who's coming, guest list. So that's if you want to have a cookie exchange. And then there's a stickers section, and there's stickers here. Look at these. So these are on clear paper, and these are clear stickers, and like these are paper stickers. Both very, very cute. I like these new designs. Okay, so that's that. Now let's move on to this Planner Companion Accessories pack. These are really fun because you just get a whole variety of things in these. So let's see what's in this one. So we have this really cute little like holiday bracelet with a little Christmas tree on it. And then winter fun. And then look at this little cute thing with all sorts, this is a little cute thing. So descriptive, Mary Ellen. This cute folder with lots of little stuff in it. So let's see what's inside. We have some cards here. Oh, they're actual cards. I thought they were just like that, but it's actual cards. Meet me under the mistletoe. Cute. Have a cup of cheer. That's so pretty. Merry Friendsmas. This says a Merry Christmas wish for you, friend. Warm wishes. Warmest wishes to you and yours this holiday season. So you've got 4 cards, which is a cute idea. And then here we have some half sheets for lists. This says making a list, and then it says naughty and nice, and you can check it off. That's so cute. And then on the back of each of those, it says checking it twice, and it's just regular lines. Here we have 2 plastic envelopes. One says making sweet memories, and it has candy canes, and the other one says polka dot pattern with some mistletoe. It says Happy Christmas on the back. Super cute. And then we have a dry erase board, which you can pop into your planner. Nice list, Santa stop here, shopping list, and then just different lists on the back and like dot grid here. And then we have some stickers. So these are, oh, they're not stickers, they are tags for your gifts. That's really cute. So you got a bunch of those. Let's see, 1, 2. Oh, okay, so we have 2 that are tags. Oh, and then some tags here too. But there's also stickers in here too. There's little like checklist stickers and little circle stickers. The tags are really cute though. And then some quote stickers. These are all on paper. So I think that's just something like really fun, isn't it? I don't know. It's just like, I love these because it's just a little variety pack of things and it's just so cute and you can keep them all in the folder. So I think that is a good one. All right, let's move on here. Excuse me. So this is holiday filler paper. This is classic sized, and I don't think I really need to open this because basically it's just going to be on the one side. It has this cute little Christmas tree pattern on the edge, and then it has like these little bullet points for a list. And then on the back of that, it looks like it's the same Christmas trees, but no bullet points. And this is, okay, this is lined here. That's like little dot lines. I don't know what that's called. It's not regular lines, it's little dot lines. And then on the back, it's dot grid. All right, so that's really cute. And that would be good to put in your holiday planner combined with like the stuff from the Christmas extension pack. All right, so now we have 2 sticker packs left. Let's open this small one first. Okay, I am gonna have lots and lots and lots of Christmas stuff, Christmas stickers. Okay, so if you don't wanna commit to like a giant sticker book, oh wait, this is winter. I'm sorry, I'm like, I got the wrong one. I'll get the Christmas one, hang on. So if you don't wanna commit to a giant sticker book, you can just get like this smaller one. So this first page is on clear paper and there's like gold foiling on it. And then this is actual paper, a little snowman, little cups of coffee or hot chocolate. Then we have some quotes. We've seen some of these before. And then some decorative boxes. I don't think we've seen these ones before. These are like colorful boxes, but Christmas. That's cool. Okay, let me get that other sticker book. I'm not gonna change the beginning of the video when I show this. Everybody's gonna be like, Mary Ellen, That's the winter sticker book. What are you doing? So if you felt like that in the beginning, don't worry. Probably everyone else did too. This is the Christmas sticker book. It's called Merry and Bright. I'll do the winter flip through in another video. Okay, so Merry and Bright. That's the same design that's on that card. So there's little gold foiling accents on this first page. I like this color palette. It's like kind of subtle. It's not like in your face red and green, but it's more like vintage-y, I guess. Like, look at these. Look at those cupcakes. Like, it's all kind of muted, which is pretty. These are, oh wait, this is clear paper and so is this. Okay, these are definitely new designs. Savor the season, celebrate the season. Look at this sweater one. That's really cute. And this one, wow. I just want to watch Christmas movies and drink cocoa. For some reason, I really like pink combined with red and green and blue for Christmas stickers. I don't know, pink Christmas stickers make me happy for some reason. I just like pink. So then we have some of these washi strips here, and look, these cute little, they're kind of like country-ish. They have like a country vibe, like a vintage vibe. I don't know. Look, you've got sweater patterned washi here. And the boxes in these same colors. Dinner menu, party menu, gift list stickers. Oh, is this like a color storybook? You guys, is it? This might be like a color story Christmas book. Because look, these are all like the same color palette. And now we've moved into blues. That's cool. All right, so now we have these ice skating girls and this blue-green palette here. Again, like not in your face red and green, kind of just different and pretty. We've got some ice skating girls and some ice skating dogs. Oh my gosh. There's cats here too. Wait, was there cats on this one? There are. There's cats and dogs. They didn't forget about the cat folks this time. We have some ice skating boys and presents. Those are clear stickers there. I love these ones that are like the letterboards. So cute. So this is like a country Christmas. Look at this with the little barns and the little trucks with the Christmas trees. Oh my gosh, that's so quaint and pretty. Look, we're on a farm for Christmas. So cute. And then we have these like double boxes here, which I love. I love these. I use a lot of these for gratitude. And some hexagons. I guess this isn't color story because it's kind of mixed up, but there's definitely different color palettes involved here. Some more of these dogs and cats. So the Happy Planner's listening to the pet people, you guys. They realize there's a lot of us out there. So just really soft, pretty colors. Here's a bunch of headers. Say a whole lot of different stuff. And here we have more dinner menu, party menu, shopping list, gift list. Look at these. Look at these Santas. Ho, ho, ho. That's so cute. I also love when they do this and they put these on like a different colored background, because now what I can do is bam, 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 cut out strips on the side, and I will use that as washi tape. Look, I can even cut some strips in the middle here. So I don't know if they did that if they do that on purpose so we can use the backing, but definitely don't throw away the backing. You can punch out like little shapes or like anything. So these are really good to have. Definitely vintage vibes here for sure. Holly Jolly, Jingle and Mingle. This is so pretty. Meet me under the mistletoe. Have a cup of cheer. I love hot cocoa stickers in my planner. I just like food and drink stickers in my planner. I know that's weird. Look at this one though. Maybe it's not weird. Maybe you guys feel that way too. We've got some browns in here, some sort of like reddish browns, which is nice for a change, right? They're bringing in some more like neutral colors and not so kiddish, which is like great. And here we have like boxes that are gonna match the theme, you know, all of these themes. They're gonna kind of all coordinate together. Some more boxes. I love the box stickers. And don't forget these boxes, if you don't like how these are shaped, you can always cut the top off and just have a regular box there. Long box stickers, yes. This is I'm really excited about this Christmas book. We have tiny little gold foil flags, and then some more boxes for you here. Some more shopping lists. Look at these pretty snowflakes. So, so cute. And these ornaments. And more headers. So it kind of is like a color story book, but I haven't really, some of it's sort of mixed up in the middle, but yeah. More boxes, and then some clear quotes at the end with some gold foil. This is so cute. I'm in love with this one. I like it a lot better than the one from last year, the Christmas book from last year. So, yeah, so those are the 4 Christmas products that I have for you. 5 Christmas products I have for you. All of this is going on sale on thehappyplanner.com on Thursday. So if you're going to shop, I'd appreciate it so much if you use my affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything. I'll put it in the description box. All you have to do is click on it. It takes you right to the site and you can shop. I just get a tiny little percentage of your purchase, and it's like a win-win. So thank you so much in advance if you're going to do that. I love you guys and appreciate you all. Let me know in the comments what most excites you about this release, the Christmas release. And I'll see you for more flip throughs soon. Bye.